Malolele, this is Richard Wolfgram. I'm with my little side hustle business. It's called Anahina Jewelry. And these are just some laser cut jewelry that I make at home. Very influenced by our tapa, ngatu designs. A lot of these designs are like Tongan, Kupesi designs. Some I take from like Samoan. I have some of these here that are abalone, paua shell, inlays and mother pearl shell inlays, just a little something to add some island flavor to laser cut jewelries. And you can order online, anahina.com, ANAHINA.com.
This is Holly. I own Holly's Hippie Dreams. I sell handcrafted macrame, dream catchers, and sun catchers. And you can find me on Holly's Hippie Dreams on Instagram.
This is Jared with Rustic Designs. We make any kind of personalized wood signs. We make a bunch of wood products, candle holders. You can find us at Rustic Designs on Facebook.com.
Hey, this is Daniel Tutau. I'm here with DB Productions Utah. My wife and I run this business that does photography, videography, and design. Some of our biggest sellers are the photo booths and the portrait stations, but we also do family sessions and any kind of photography or videography needs that you might have. You can find us at DB Productions Utah. There's a lot of DB Productions, so make sure you have the Utah on there. We're also on Facebook and Instagram under DB Productions Utah.
Hello everybody, my name is Lance. I'm the owner of Lani, Koia, Aloha 3D printing. We do 3D printing. We don't do any designs yet. Don't have the time for that. We do mostly for like your home decor, your Pokemon guys, your anime, especially Disney and games. So we have Hot Wheels stuff, video games, tabletop stuff, Christmas ornaments, stuff like that. You can find us on Facebook and Instagram under our name, which is Lani, Koia, Aloha 3D printing. Message me there. I can get you whatever you want.